In this video, I am going to show you how to add contour lines to your project. These are good examples shown in this photo. This is a quick or semi-quick video illustrating how to add contour lines or outlines to your design. This is step number 5 in your symmetrical name design project that can be found on Canvas. Step number 5 is adding your contour lines. Contour line is just an outline, as I mentioned earlier, but that outline has to follow the shape of your initial design. So if you look in this video, I am adding contour lines around this cloud type shape. So we're going to pretend this cloud shape is your name design, or at least a portion of it. And what I'm doing is I'm just following the outline, or that shape, to add my own lines. So this first line, it's almost like hair or little dashes coming off of the shape. And I'm going to eventually do that all the way around the shape, but for time purposes, I'm just doing a portion. The next thing I'm doing is switching colors, and I am going in and showing you another contour line. So again, I'm just following that same shape. I'm not changing the shape, I'm following it the best I can, and I am adding a different style of line. So this one is kind of a cloud shape, almost like ruffles or smiley faces. So again, I'm following the same shape. When my original design curves, so does this line. As you move outwards, it's going to be a little bit simplified and distorted, but still try to follow the line before it the best you can. And now I'm going back in with a third color and showing you one more style of line. This one is a dotted line, which falls under implied line types because it is not connected, but your eye follows this path to create an imagined line. So, dotted line. If you look at the grading criteria, which I hope you already have, you need to have at least 5 types or styles of contour lines. So 5 different kinds of outlines. You can have as many as you like. In fact, the examples on the board have many more than 5, but you need at least 5 to get your points. So right now I have 3. The hair-like line, the cloud shape, and then the dotted. The next thing I wanted to show you in this video, because I know a lot of you will ask about it, is adding lines to those inside shapes. So those spaces between your letters that you cut out, those interior spots. So I'm just adding a circle, pretending that was already there. And again, you're going to go back in with those same lines. So when I did that first line, what I really should have done, if this shape was there, is add this to the interior too. So you are still leaving the space that is your letters alone. But the negative space, so the space that is not part of your name, should be filled as well. So, like in my exterior lines, I'm doing the same thing. So these should not be different in yours. You should do them while you're doing your outside lines as well. So I'm going in and adding these 3. On the board, there are really good examples of contour lines and just this project in general, so make sure you do look at those if you have questions. Here is a close-up of one of those examples. Again, you can see lots of different types, and there's an interior space.